And now I am inviting Dr. Helio Pereira from Portugal. So you are welcome.
Namaste for all of you. I'm very proud to be here. I'm in India for the first time in my present life. And I want to thank you very much for the very onerous invitation I received from the International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy from my friend, Dr. Chaji, who made the first contact with me 5 years ago. I'm very proud to be here. I am together. I completely agree with the objectives of this International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy as a humanitarian organization and devoted to promote homeopathy without no barriers. Either they are regional, political, or ideological. This is also my point of view. Homeopathy is for everybody. To introduce a little bit of myself, I'm diplomed in medicine by the Faculty of Medicine of Lisbon. I'm specialized in orthopedic surgery. I'm an orthopedic surgeon in a hospital, and I also practice homeopathy since more than 40 years. I'm the scientific coordinator of the course of integrative homeopathy, and now next November of this year we're going to start our 39 course uninterrupted also as these webinars of our International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy. I also have not been any interruption in this almost 40 years. I have a great admiration and respect for the culture, the ancient culture and Malayar civilization of India, and I respect very much the fact that nowadays India is a leadership country for promoting homeopathy and practicing homeopathy. India is an example for the whole world. The other thing I would like to stress is that I believe also homeopathy will have a bigger role in the future. I believe homeopathy is the medicine for the future because it's an informational medicine, and the basis for homeopathy on a scientific level are more and more studied and understandable. So to finish, I also want to send a message, a concrete message, and I have here a gift, two gifts in fact. One is for our president, Dr. Ismail. I'm going to say the right words, say the right names. Dr. Ismail Salt. And I have here a symbol of my country. Is a rooster. The rooster is a symbol of Portugal, and it's a mean of truth and faith. Medicine is really a true medicine, and we have the faith that it will help people. So this is for you. And the other gift I have here is also a rooster, but red. The green in the red and the green and the red are the colors of our flag in Portugal. And green means hope. and red means action. And I want to offer this rooster, this red rooster, to our Vice President, my friend, Dr. Charji Kuriat. So I want to thank you, all of you. Thank you very much. In Portuguese, we say muito obrigado. And I learned that in India, I'm going to take my notes, you say thank you, Danaiwad.
And now I am inviting Dr. Chin Rouge from Denmark. You are welcome, please.
Thank you, and thank you for the warm welcome to India. I know I'm a bit taller than everyone else. Students, doctors, supporters, faculty members, all of IFPH, what you have accomplished in the past 5 years truly deserves a great celebration. This is a historic achievement. Not only because you have carried this work forward day after day, year after year, enriching the legacy of Dr. Hahnemann, and in 3 different languages, but because of the love and compassion you have poured into it. The pandemic was difficult for all of us across the entire world. And yet it also marked the beginning of IFPH, opening the doors to a whole community of homeopathic colleagues. And that is why I stand here today, representing Denmark, Scandinavia, and the Nordic countries, regions that still have a long way to go in the acceptance of homeopathy, even though we are right next to Germany, where Samuel Hahnemann came from. And that is why I personally am deeply grateful for the existence of IFPH. I admire the generosity and selflessness with which you share your knowledge, your experiences, your research with one another. It shows a profound understanding that the work of homeopathy is greater than any individual ego as a doctor. I am proud to be a part of this community. Congratulations.